Welcome to our channel. Today we how to save on beauty treatments with Sephora, full guide step by step clearly. To save on beauty treatments with Sephora, start by signing up for the Sephora Beauty Insider program. This free membership offers exclusive discounts and rewards. Next, make sure to accumulate points from your purchases. These points can be redeemed for discounts or free products. Keep an eye out for seasonal sales and special promotions. Sephora often has events where selected products are discounted. Sign up for their newsletter to stay informed on upcoming sales. Consider shopping during major sale events like Black Friday or holiday sales. You can often find limited time deals during these periods. If you find a lower price at a competitor, Sephora may honor it. When shopping in-store, take advantage of the free samples. Ask for samples to try products before committing to a full-size purchase. Don't overlook using coupon codes that can pop up online. Search for valid codes to enhance your savings during checkout. Leverage the Beauty Insider sale events for additional discounts. These are exclusive to members and can save you up to 20%. Explore the Sephora app for app-only deals and exclusive promotions. The app often features limited-time offers and flash sales. Check for bundle deals that can save you money on multiple items. Buy sets rather than individual products for increased value. Be mindful of product expiration dates when purchasing. Avoid wasting money on products you may not use in time. Consider visiting the clearance section for discounted items. You can find significant savings on products that are being phased out. Lastly, always read reviews on beauty treatments before purchasing. This ensures you're investing in products that meet your needs and expectations. By following these steps, you can maximize your savings on beauty treatments at Sephora. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.